Microsoft Visual Studio Team Foundation Server 2010 lies at the heart of Microsoft's application lifecycle management solution, providing organizations with the tools to automate build processes and manage software development projects from beginning to end. Indeed, Team Foundation Server offers an impressive solution within the development tier, but organizations are still left with the challenge of getting their compiled projects from the development tier to the testing tier. And that's where RepliWeb TFS plugin comes in. RepliWeb TFS plugin continues where TFS left off, by automating deployment of SharePoint solutions from the development tier to the testing tier with full traceability. Seamlessly integrating with the Team Foundation Server 2010 workflow, RepliWeb TFS plugin replaces manual processes and complex scripts, resulting in increased productivity and reduced costs. Let's take a closer look at how it works. RepliWeb TFS plugin provides two TFS build activities, one for ROS and the other for R1. These build activities can be easily incorporated into the TFS workflow, either separately or together, depending on what types of files you want to deploy. In this demo, I need to automate distribution of a simple web part displaying an analog clock from the drop location in the development tier to the testing tier. To accomplish this, I need to add the ROS build activity to my build process template. The build process template determines the TFS workflow. To insert the ROS build activity in a build process template, I simply add the ROS build activity to the toolbox and then drag it to the build process template. I can then use that template when defining a new build. I'm now going to define a new build. In the Process tab, I select the template containing the ROS build activity and then provide values for the ROS build activity parameters, such as how detailed I want the embedded deployment log to be, whether I want to upgrade an existing solution or deploy a new solution, the credentials for accessing the target SharePoint server, and the credentials for accessing the ROS center machine. Once the build definition is ready, I queue the build and open the log to monitor the build process. In the log, I can see that my solution has been taken from the drop location and successfully deployed on the target SharePoint machine. In the testing tier, after refreshing the Central Administration Solution Management page, I can verify that my solution has indeed been successfully deployed. All that remains is for our quality assurance team to add it to the page and thoroughly test it. As you have seen, RepliWeb TFS plugin enables organizations to easily overcome the challenge of moving compiled SharePoint solutions from the development tier to the testing tier using standard TFS tools. For more information about RepliWeb TFS plugin, please don't hesitate to contact us.